In today's video, I will walk you through how to add break line symbol in AutoCAD. The break line symbol tool allows you to create a break mark in objects, helping you show that a portion of an object has been removed or shortened in your drawing. To begin, go to the Annotation tab and locate the break line symbol tool. You can also type break line in the command line and press Enter. Once the command is active, select the first point where you want the break symbol to start, then select the second point where you want it to end. AutoCAD will create the break line symbol between the selected points. You can adjust the size and appearance of the break symbol by selecting it and modifying its properties. This allows you to match the symbol with the scale and style of your drawing. The break line symbol tool is useful for simplifying long objects and making drawings easier to read. The process is simple. Start the command, select the first point, select the second point, and AutoCAD creates the break symbol automatically. And that's how to add break line symbol in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.